Hi everybody, we will check right now the newest workflow with the Niagara ROP. It will be basically it will be easier because most of the video of the course will deal with some issues that now the nodes is made already in this way. So I will show you before very straightforward import from Houdini to Unreal. And then I will show you some a little bit more stuff that you can do with the new Niagara ROP node. So I just took my simulation and I just output the flying pieces. I create a new geometry node and imported them. I will just drop down a point wrangle. I don't want all the pieces, and maybe I can say if the length of v at v is less than v or no, I want yeah. So basically we get rid of some of the point in this way. Okay. So we have some of the point, not all. And these are our point. And we just drop down Niagara ROP. And we have some attributes that are these attributes. And basically, what we just needed to do, let's say that we wanted to export until 120. I will just delete the channel, say 120. And it's basically it's done. You can, for example, if you export like from another, maybe you start from 48 till 168, you can say export as start frame as time 0. So basically, even if we start from 48 for Unreal, would be time 0. But we don't need that. We just create HJSON can be, and we just want export this. Just create the folder because the older node didn't create it, but now they put it, so I think it's not an issue, but just to be sure. So basically this is our needs, so we can just import it, and it will be, I just check the path. 1 second. Okay. Just create this file, and we can just import it. Houdini point cache. and we can see how many attributes we have and which kind of attributes it store. So we can just right now create a Niagara system empty, or you can also just create Niagara system from template, sorry, from copy existing system with selected emitter. Okay, with selected emitter, and we will take these Houdini Niagara basics just to start. We will just drag here, and you can see that we have like a pre-made point cache here. We can just go here, and one thing that usually Houdini video shows, it's quite handy because you have like many places where you should put your Houdini cache. So basically I will just create a Houdini point cache variable that will be my rename Houdini cache, and I will just drag this. So basically I can go through my emitter like this, and I can change the Houdini cache point with my Houdini cache. I just go on in all the element, and as you can see, now my particles are spawned. I will just increase the size just to see them. You can see that now my point cache is included correctly. I can change the initial emitter state, emitter properties to be, sorry, emitter state to be like until 120, 24, like nice. And you can see that our point cache works, and this is basically not from here that you have all the stuff imported. You can just use exactly the same workflow that you see in the video. It doesn't change anything. You can, for example, just add event. You should enable ID, and so you can add create a basic emitter. Okay. And I can get rid of gravity. Sorry. So I can get rid of gravity, velocity, sphere location, spawn rate, and I can add an event handler with the location event, phone number 1, and I can say location, receive location event. And as you can see now, we have our trace that comes out from the particle. So basically the workflow is the same. It doesn't change. And you can just use this to import and follow the course. The workflow, it's super easy by default. I will just show you right now in another video some additional tips that you can use to import other attributes, and maybe how you can use those attributes in this kind of situation.